Good morning, one and present here. My name is Parik and topic of today's seminar is drones. So you all be wondering what is drones? Drones are simply unmanned aerial vehicle or a UAV. There are many types of drones, but in industry, the most two prominent type of drones used are quadcopter and fixed wing. So the working of quadcopter is quite simple. It consists of four motors, and these four motors controls the vertical and horizontal movements of the train. And that's why a quadcopter is very agile, but due to its high-powered motors, it can fly for a shortened span of time. Now, the other types of drone is called fixed, as the name suggests. It has a fixed wing and motors, one that wing or propellers, which helps it to fly as it has motor placed vertically. It uses require less power, hence can fly for longer duration and more travel, more distance. Now, the drone consists of many technologies like flight controller, batteries, motor frame, etc. Now comes the main part, usage of drones. Drones can be used in various parts of industry such as agriculture to water the crops and spray pesticides. It can also be used for construction purposes, for surveillance to keep an automated watch on sensitive areas. It can also be used for search and rescue missions to cover more distance in less time, and also for recreational activities. So this way my presentation, I hope you all like it.
Also, there are some challenges and regulations to drones such as privacy concerns, airspace regulation, legal liability. And thank you to all. Hope you like my presentation. And